As human beings, we have always looked up to the stars and wondered if there was life out there in the vastness of space. We've dreamed of exploring distant planets and discovering new worlds. But what if those worlds are not so friendly? What if they are death traps waiting to swallow any explorer who gets too close? Welcome to my channel, and today we are taking you on a journey to the most dangerous planets in the Milky Way, places where life as we know it could never exist. Make sure to stay till the end, because we have saved the worst for last. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure through the most deadly planets in the galaxy. You won't believe what's out there. Number 5. The Diamond World. Imagine a planet made entirely of diamonds, a sparkling jewel suspended in the vastness of space. It sounds like a fantasy, doesn't it? But scientists believe that such a world may actually exist out there. But this celestial jewel is not as beautiful as it sounds. Its surface gravity would be hundreds or even thousands times greater than the Earth's gravity. If you were to step foot on this planet, you would be utterly crushed into a pancake. Its atmosphere, if it has one, would also be incredibly thin and toxic, making it impossible for humans to breathe. And if that wasn't enough, the intense pressure on the planet's surface would cause diamonds to rain from the sky, making it a deadly hailstorm of sharp, hard stones. The diamond world may be a sight to behold from afar, but getting any closer would be a fatal mistake. Number 4. The Lava Planet. Now let's take you to a place where hell seems like a day trip. A planet so close to its star that its entire surface is covered in a thick layer of molten lava. Temperatures on this planet would reach thousands of degrees, hot enough to melt lead. Forget about landing on this planet with your spaceship. It would be vaporized before it even got close. Even if you somehow managed to survive the intense heat, you would find it hard to move. The planet's gravity is so strong that it would pull you down into the molten sea, and there would be no escape. Your body would be burned and twisted until there is nothing left. The air you try to breathe would be thick with ash and poisonous gases, burning your lungs as you inhale. The only thing that can survive on this planet is pure molten rock and metal. There is no place for life here, only endless fire and brimstone. Number 3. The Rogue World. Have you ever seen a lone wolf wandering far from its pack? That image of solitude and isolation is much like the fate of a rogue world. Imagine a planet that has been kicked out of its solar system and is now wandering aimlessly through the cold, dark depths of space. This planet is a true castaway in the grand scheme of the universe, cut off from the warmth of a star and doomed to eternal darkness. As you step onto the surface of a rogue world, you will feel the icy grip of despair. Temperatures on this planet would plummet to unimaginable lows, freezing anything that comes in contact with it. The planet's atmosphere would be a frigid vacuum, offering no protection from the harmful radiation that streams in from deep space. The silence would be deafening as you realize that you are truly alone, cut off from the rest of the universe. Any hope of rescue or return home would fade into the cold, hard reality of a rogue world. You would be trapped in a frozen wasteland, utterly alone in the vast emptiness of space. No light, no sound, no life. Only endless, crushing cold. No. 2. The tidally locked inferno. Picture a world forever locked in an infernal embrace with its star. On one side, a scorching inferno where temperatures reach thousands of degrees, hot enough to burn flesh in a matter of seconds. On the other side, a frozen wasteland plunged into eternal darkness. This is the fate of a tidally locked planet, a world where one side experiences unending daylight, while the other side is trapped in eternal night. And the dividing line between these two extremes is the Terminator line. Here the sun never sets, casting a blazing light that turns day into an eternity of torment. The air would be thick with smoke and ash, as the planet's surface is relentlessly bombarded by meteorites and space debris. The intense heat would create massive storms that rage across the planet's surface, tearing apart anything that gets in their way. The temperature gradient between the two poles would create a constant flow of air from the frozen wasteland to the burning inferno, resulting in hurricane-force winds along the Terminator line. These deadly winds would be hot enough to incinerate anything they touch, making survival on this planet's surface nearly impossible. Even if you managed to survive the intense heat and the powerful storms, you would be met with a landscape of fire and brimstone. The ground beneath your feet would be cracked and scorched, a testament to the planet's eternal torment. The very air you breathe would be poisonous, filled with noxious gases that burn your lungs with every inhalation. As you stumble across the charred remains of what once might have been life on this planet, you will realize that there is no escape from this infernal landscape. You are trapped in a world where day and night are forever at war, and the only constant is the relentless heat and fury. Number 1. The ultra-hot Jupiter. Prepare to be scorched as we take you on a journey to the ultra-hot Jupiter, the hottest planet in the universe. Imagine a massive gas giant drifting dangerously close to its star, where temperatures can reach a staggering 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 2,000 degrees hotter than the surface of the sun. You step onto this planet, you would be met with a swirling vortex of scorching hot gases, a raging inferno that would burn away anything that ventures too close. The intense heat would melt and vaporize everything in sight, leaving behind only a trail of ash and molten rock. The atmosphere of this planet is a toxic mix of exotic elements like sodium, potassium, and lithium, all heated to unimaginable temperatures. These elements form a thick, swirling cloud cover that hides the planet's true face from view. As you try to navigate this hellish landscape, you would be met with crushing pressures that would squeeze you from all sides. The immense gravity of the ultra-hot Jupiter would pull you down into its fiery depths, never to be seen again. The ultra-hot Jupiter is a world of fire and fury, a place where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits, and where the very fabric of space and time is torn apart by the intense heat and pressure. It is a world that is truly hellish, a place where life as we know it simply cannot exist. What do you think about these deadly planets? Which one scared you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.